If you could give something up for one day or 1 week and give what you save to missions so someone could learn about Jesus, would you do it? If so, what would it be? Your favorite subscription? Going out to eat? A new pair of shoes? Whatever you sacrifice, your gift will make a difference. Your gift might buy Bibles or outreach books that tell someone about Jesus in their own language, conduct seminars about healthful living, or sponsor a global mission pioneer in a city where most people have never heard about Jesus. 100% of your gift goes to the front lines of mission. It will help start new groups of believers among the most challenging areas and people groups, such as the 1040 window, the cities, and the growing post-Christian population. Today, there are still more than 7,000 unreached people groups, with a total of more than 3 billion people. Jesus told the parable of the lost sheep. When one sheep was missing, the shepherd went out to search for it. Please prayerfully consider what you can give up to bring hope to unreached people. To give, please mark your tithe envelope, Annual Sacrifice Offering, or visit global-mission.org/mysacrifice.